Voice AI startup E11 Labs raises $80 million, unveils new products. E11 Labs, a voice AI startup, just raised $80 million in Series B funding to cement its position as a leader in the space. The round was led by top VC firm Andreessen Horowitz and Microsoft's Nat Friedman. This brings E11 Labs to unicorn status. Since launching its hyper-realistic voice AI last year, E11 Labs has seen rapid adoption. Its tech is now used by millions, including 41% of Fortune 500 companies. The fresh funding will advance E11 Labs' research and product roadmap. They unveiled several new offerings, a dubbing studio for easy AI dubbing of video into 29 languages, a voice library marketplace where creators can sell access to AI replicas of their voices, a mobile reader app to convert text into natural audio, and new voice models with expanded languages. Major publishers, media firms, and tech companies have partnered with E11 Labs for its leading voice AI capabilities. E11 Labs aims to break down language barriers and make content globally accessible through voice technology. This latest funding and product launch show E11 Labs accelerating ahead in the red-hot voice AI race. As AI transforms how we interface with technology, voice is increasingly the future. E11 Labs' rapid traction reveals the massive demand for natural voice AI. We can expect big waves from this startup as it works to reshape communication with AI voices.